Model 2021 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Diesel 2.2 BlueHDi H2 Professional Van 140 PS Body, white, panel van mileage, 44,701 MOT, the 31st of July 2024 engine, 2,179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts fine, headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £15,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0